So I've done some updates on the charger. First thing is I lowered it 1.5 inches, I believe, with Eibach Springs. It cost me, the springs themselves cost like around 300, and then I went to a proper shop to get them installed, and they were charging me $350 just to put them in. I said no. I kept looking. I actually found this guy on OfferUp that put them on for me for $180. So I saved myself a lot of money there. They came with a sticker, so I just put them there. Back windows. I got one on the other side. I bought the diffuser. Oh, you can't really see it, but the diffuser costs $100. It's cheap plastic, but it makes a car look really nice from the back. And I bought this spoiler too, cheap plastic again. If you can see, it's not bolted in all the way because I'm actually gonna take it in to get painted proper black, because I'm painting this black. The roof is getting painted black, the mirrors black, and I actually bought a new hood, and that's probably gonna be installed tomorrow. But it's white. I mean, it's not painted white, it just came white. It's with a scoop. It's like the SRT. When I put that on, I'll show you guys. And oh, that's right, I removed the mirror tint. This car, when I bought it, it had a mirror tint on it. It almost looked like the same color of the car, so it looked like one whole continuous thing, but the back looked really ugly because it was starting to peel. And I got the tint off and I took it in to get tinted black, which makes it look a whole lot better. It just goes with the car. And I got a stereo installed and the backup camera. It's right there. See if I have enough time to show you guys the stereo because my memory's full. So this is a Boss BN965 BLC. It has a Bluetooth. I'm not sure what that says. 80 watt. The stereo itself is pretty good. Stock stereo didn't have Bluetooth, so that was really annoying. I can finally, I can answer my phone now via Bluetooth. I can stream my music. I have Navi. Has a backup camera. It's cool because I can even drive like this. It won't shut off. If I put it on a drive, it'll stay there. The navigation's okay. It has a lot of like these little, if there's stores around, you see all this stuff. It's pretty annoying. They go away once you start driving, but when it goes slow, they just pop up. I couldn't take them off. I'll look into that. And in order to get this installed, I had to buy this whole face plate for the dual din. The only problem is that the DVD player in the back, show you. Shoes over there. The DVD player, it still plays DVDs. The only problem is I can't get the speakers to work with this. So until I figure out how to, what I'm probably gonna do is run an AV cable, if that's possible, like these here. Run it to that stereo through the inside, and then there's an AV mode on that, so maybe that'll help. But I gotta figure it out to see if it'll even work. But for now, I did order on Amazon some headphones, some wireless headphones that's supposedly compatible with this VES system. So those will be here in a couple of days. Hopefully they work. I'll let you guys know. But I'm really happy with the look of the car. Even the rims look nice, because I wasn't a fan of these rims. They were chrome before with some plastic, black plastic covers. I don't know what they're called. I took them off and I plastic dipped them black. So as soon as I do anything new to it, once the hood's in, I'll make another video, and once it's painted, I'll make another video. But I'm happy of how it's turning out so far. Everything I've done to the car has cost me around $3 grand, maybe a little bit over it, over $3 grand. The hood was from amerihood. I'll show you guys that in another video. It's looking really nice. Alright guys, take care.